Hi guys, welcome to another craft. Today we're going to be making this gorgeous mason jar string art project. It's a really cute project that looks really nice on your wall. It's also a really great gift, especially for Mother's Day, Teachers Appreciation, anything like that. And anytime you want to give flowers but you don't want them to die. Yes, that's a great project. And if you didn't know, these are Homemade Luxe projects. Homemade Luxe is a craft subscription box. Every month we send you all the materials you need to make crafts such as this one. And we also sell one-time craft kits. So grab yourself a craft kit anytime you're feeling crafty or know a crafty friend who would appreciate such a gift. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous string art project. Let's get started.
So these are materials that you need. Everything is provided in your craft kit, but if you're doing it on your own, you're going to need flowers, a paintbrush, sandpaper or a template, nails, paint, thread, and a plaque. And for your template, you can download that for free. I'll leave the link below to the blog where you can do that. The first step is to sand your wood plaque and then paint it. I used a dark walnut stain and applied 2 coats. Once that's dry, I applied the template, and again, you can download this for free from our blog on homemadeluxe.com. And just tape that securely to your wood. You're going to tape it towards the bottom of your wood so that there's room for the flowers on top. Then you're just going to get your nails and hammer those in. Your template is numbered, so you can just follow the numbers and hammer those in. The nails we used were gold and they're 11 and 16th inches long. And here we are just nailing everything in order. And you can move your plaque around to nail in properly as well. Then you're going to just take your thread, you're going to take it and make a knot on the bottom. Just made it 3 times a knot and then knotted it on nail number 1. Then you're just going to follow the numbers and string all around your mason jar. And some of the numbers have 2 numbers on them, so you're going to just make sure you do those twice. For example, the bottom of your jar, you're going to actually do that twice so that it looks nice and thick around the edges of the jar. Once you're done with that, you're just going to cut your thread. You're going to again do that double or triple knot, and you're going to knot it on your very last nail. Then you're just going to take your scissors and trim the edges. Then you're going to try to take off your template. This could be a little tricky, so go ahead and use a tweezers or anything if you get any pieces of paper stuck in your jar. Okay, once you've removed all of that, you're going to take your flowers and just cut them. Might be a little hard to do that with the scissors, but it can be done. So go ahead and cut your flowers. You can remove the leaves if you wish or leave them on. And I started off with just some roses on the bottom, and then I added the others for just some highlights. And those pieces accent the roses very well, and that's it. You just do it how you want to. Then you can actually take your string, this is optional, and string the rest of your mason jar, the body of your mason jar. This just helps to keep your stems in place, and it just adds more to your mason jar. And you just make sure that you hit every single nail going from the top to the bottom and side to side. And once that's all done, your mason jar is complete. You're gonna just thread that and then keep going. If you are interested in this craft kit, you can purchase it at Homemade Luxe, or you can do this at home. Remember to download our free template so you can have your mason jar template to do this really simple and cute project. The perfect gift for Mother's Day or any day when you want to give flowers, but this will be a special treat. So that's it for this month's craft kit, guys. Check out all of our different craft kits on homemadeluxe.com, and we'll see you again next month when we do another craft.